Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Annihilation Avenue. Today, we're going to be doing a burnout in my 1999 V6 Firebird. So you're probably wondering, why are you ruining your tires? Well, I need new tires anyway, so let's get into it. Alright, let's get some water. Alright guys, post burnout, got the new tires on, looking pretty fresh. So unfortunately, I will not be able to do any more burnouts until this summer of 2025 because this is the only set of tires I have with me currently, but that's alright. You guys are probably wondering, why is your car so dirty? Sorry guys, I haven't been to a wash recently. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe because that helps the channel out, and peace.